committee unim say MPs are a sponsor private members bill a year the you can say a proper family values bill baby enough an anti-LGBTQ plus bill no ya Texas has sponsors now assign reintroduce a bill ni bill parliament in the wake of insensema SEC this week Independence Square any other places are Ghanaian monument no me no ensign in komobio so for akwaba ekosi saying so ni
yeah also penny obi
na bibia ye boko de
enye boko sa sanse a revoke here in Ghana. It was a day of shame the Independence Aka o memuni nyina sunsum kafie se ho Kwame Nkrumah mezolio ma memuni nyina fa ho die sunsum ehye fa kwa yi o mampenia okojina no swafenam swai de mane mai eho ena kase ubibia yedini ni ewe ya mamre mu a nke ho ena se yebo ho dawru na mrantie miinu ebe free o man so aba abegina ho na Ghana ye tiwade kese pa ya modni no wo mo asan efra Ghana flag na wo mo de abakire wo mo ho aka wo mo ano afa mu te se enwa miinu afi wo mo ano aye de wo mo pe wo ho atwamfo ni ya to mont ne no wo mo agu Ghana ho fin pa na obi de ya asesim wo mo ne se wo mo ankogina ba bia keke na mo no wo mo kogina ba bia yes security zones no national security for 24/7 wo mo ani ewo ho de ekoso bia wo mo ni tua wo mo ansa wo ho ba ko so sa wo ho ba miensa bi ko agina ponko so de dwa de wo ye nyina ba do hwe ene na ti no national security ni tia ba bi wo free okọ ye bia de mo ko ye ya enye kukuam enye dem na ya bontene so sacred monument no the national security at the extra obia me ebetum nei ente to sokoko enfant level obi me fanya man yourself and I would not want anybody to do politics with it but the fact remains that president be anyone waba a woman say LGBT sem ansem now so president be anyone waba binbanya kukudru boldness etumi aba peye di omuyi President Rollins usrumpo se uye bibisa or the babetu jakra kwa kujina be bimpo abohun dawru under President Kufo you dare not uye gay lesbian now uye Ghana news or your foreign now kwa kujina abontin be bikura aka ho asema abohun dawru under President Mills I mean funny currency nobody did that under President Kufo Ghana for NDC for di animu ye propaganda be brave the LGBT on Quran. You never heard such a thing.
Yeah, but to be fair, under President Akufo-Addo so omukwaje office won kran ha say office on be operative from it took national security to go and stop them. You remember that, Meboa?
And me ma antecedents, Sir, under the various presidents, you hear certain pushbacks. Even under President Mills and President Kufo, there were the conference place, the hotel, be Wahakra, Kumba, Bebusu, international conference, be Ukaya. Both presidents stopped them. And under President Kufo, so a bra woman question Kukumbe, be Krano, so one office be a one on the Bay Resource Center. Then it would be sorry, they are buying a washer. So we rose up and spoke. And the same day na national security for every share baby and they will close on it down. And what you know, baby, not one more secret and any will be answered. We work closely with national security. When you tip off and I know close on it down. And at this one they took action. And it never happened in the glare view of Ministry of Tourism, Diaspora Affairs, and then President Nakasa. A bra year, the year of return. Millions of tourists free am on a buy ubia ni ubia orientation there but ababoni bi will move past whatever they will be done in their rooms. We did beyond the return. We had celebrities a whole but nobody knows everybody's orientation anyway. But Obia they need the Magana and Kwanko Jina independent akase. Sabe and this a chiwadi samono. And to the day as a son and they acquire very bold. Na meno de mistrone say and they akobane say yes sacred monument, independent monument, and foreigners and models and ambassadors to promote LGBT. Ghana, we are here to give you second independent. We are here to give you freedom, and we are here to show you love. The impudence. Now, I know buying Upianka one asam condemn, you know. It's maybe they are so way you swan sorry waka. The same amodene and new yam name parbo with the kayachi, but I'm not present in the passage of this bill, Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill, no, the Nanama him for sorry waka, and ne a title sorry waka, eka saya ne, yes, Omampeni, Mahama, and 6.3 million votes into a good way, Mapeni Bianca Nasamon, or movie state sacrament, ya, one more at the secretary, ya. Bia, not one sorry, or mosque, one him any movie, and one more babbage now at the secretary. So we should rise up. You go to Jacob form, me go to Jacob form, and certain saying may pa, mem nianom, and then penny for, me janom, a soft for, and then imam of four, and then penny for a him for. Yen sorry waka, because we have been see that in our history. And see, penny, we are assemblies of God in a bra won't be the president and our opposition, you know. Yen him the okafa, LGBT home, and the boss I will say, yeah, the door not to months more to Abama, will say. Sabe on the crown, I was one here, one put out the beba. Nankanya won't put out the beba, Kayani and the private members bill, no. Oh, Mac and Framakra and Faso. It's yeah, obey or Mampeni. A Cali Bishop Conference, Bishal. The Okacha almost have put a money who in Yama. Young far curriculum and kio. Subsequent to that, Osensia software a international conference center. And our country almost say, I feel you one casa, what they will build, and who here post a private members will. We have 6 months. Because 6 months until 2 earlier, we have over 40 legislations and within 6 months. One more introduce to a parliament, I have passed your mouth. I have more priority bills. A big crown address you and only would move under certificate of urgency. Even just last week, this week, we have passed his holidays and commemorative days bill under certificate of urgency within 2 days. And it's free. And you know, if say idea here mampenia and can match the same way in Kwadiaba and the certificate of urgency. And no, I'm Emma, you know. The only hope we have is the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill. And also, they said the last time, that's why they call now Miriam Sam George, I can home be. He is still part of it. And the animal and what you can do. And you have the bipartisan private members bill. So say, Speaker of Parliament, speak about it. Manabaso say in fact, he has been consistent, he has been supportive, which you could in America. And he is still supportive. They say, say, by next week, whatever bureaucratic processes be, and as what you want to free home parliament, need to make gazetting within 14, 16 days, a mature near first reading, near quitting.
But what to say, our colleague Sam George, I want to know, sponsor this new bill we so no. AyEka say we are where we are because former President Akufo-Addo refused to sign the bill into an act. When Parliament, the courts of the land, Emma bill, no, a clean bill of health. But man penny and sign, and that is why we are where we are. In the Mumpo,
I don't know the politics not there, and it's very unfortunate. Of course, our direction. Like I said, the LGBT is bipartisan. 93% of the population, and a CDD, in Afro Barometer Survey 2021. There were 2 gases or more. In any case, We have the Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960. The natural canal knowledge, So nipa mienu ebegyina ho. Eka etro etwamfoni fam or ekese kaso omo ye couple omo aware na omo gay same sex marriage omo ye same sex couple. Esantro claimu confess se won de bra omo boni na nyese mfoni keke no mutwa na mpodi omo ye omo san de ahyenkran se Ghana wo a wo se kukuemu aye bibi sa akra no brabonten na omo kire wodo na omo chocho we nyina wia wo de wo ye lawyer there's no beyond every reasonable doubt the current laws we have is sufficient to deal with such
it may be difficult on the face of the wording of the current law, no, any idea or more, because the Supreme Court is clear, say a natural canal knowledge, it should be with penal penetration. From the it doesn't look like that law. No? Maybe I don't know. Say qualify for indecent exposure. Say omofi omo abontene adene but for unnatural canal knowledge, this might not suffice.
It is because one, Nipano as for indecent exposure, very dandy, very clear. But in Nipano, as claims or your same sex couple, and before marriage is a friend saying,
yeah, there should be consummation.
A couple no answer na ware no be ya ware no no matia no
yes
and no na legal man be ya ware
consummation
yes consummation you know nipa no confess on the write up mu say or yes same sex couple no now there's a watia no kan ben so na mama mi no e fa so tia no ma won be ye aware for and you know sabia on the face of their own confessions even beyond what one push and crampo no beyond every reasonable doubt, they are complicit. And even in the face of the current law, I will say you take the score coordinator, but I know at Antenia. So one in indecent exposure in our crown, Ubian country in Fanchile woman. And they are Minoka say, Ubia the TV at the top CNN live, BBC, and other folks near that a brofo TV. Donald Trump, I will broach it, a brofona. Muslim, and you know, among LGBT homes, out of 50 states, 23 states, crown are passing laws are restricting LGBT. The Supreme Court of the United States of America, in pursuant to President Trump promises for a year, they've made major rulings. As that ruling, LGBT textbooks are. They set Mofra Kon schools, It is a major celebration in America now at the federal level. It is a celebration brofona yeni suru LGBT wons them ne kurano. Or more clamp down on LGBT. Now the yeni before a year chiwadi no. Yeni amakwan Emma walk run a ba. Sabi ever film from Omo film or mono a chord yomo petty tram for yomope. Nowhere else than our sacred national monument. It cry a national flag. And the power, they should bow down their heads in shame.